Why most traders lose money and how professionals avoid it. Let's start. Most people think trading is hard because the market is unfair. But that's not true. The real reason most traders lose money is not the market, it's their behavior. In this video, I'll explain why over 90% of traders lose money, what mistakes they repeat again and again, and how professional traders think differently. No hype, no fake profits, just real trading psychology and practical rules that actually work. If you want to survive in trading, not gamble, this video will change how you see the market. Part 1. The biggest lie about trading. Most beginners enter trading with the wrong expectation. They believe trading means fast money, daily profits, easy income from charts. Professionals know something different. Trading is not about winning every trade. It's about managing losses. If you don't accept losses emotionally, the market will teach you painfully. This is where most traders fail. Part 2. Overtrading, the silent account killer. One of the biggest reasons traders lose money is overtrading. They open trades because they're bored. They missed a move. They want to recover a loss. Professionals don't trade all the time. They wait. Sometimes they take 1 or 2 trades in a whole day. Sometimes none. Why? Because no trade is better than a bad trade. Overtrading turns trading into gambling. Part 3. Emotional trading. Fear and greed destroy more accounts than bad strategies. Fear makes traders exit early. Greed makes them hold losers too long. Professionals don't trade with emotions. They trade with rules. They know, if the setup fails, they're wrong and they exit. No revenge trading. No doubling the position. No emotional decisions. Discipline is more important than intelligence in trading. Part 4. No risk management. This is the #1 technical mistake. Most losing traders risk too much on one trade. They think, this trade looks perfect. I'll go all in. Professionals never do that. They risk a small percentage of their account per trade. Because survival matters more than profit. If you protect your capital, profits come naturally over time. Part 5. Strategy is not the problem. Many traders jump from one strategy to another. Support and resistance today. Indicators tomorrow. AI signals next week. The truth is simple. Most strategies work sometimes. The problem is consistency. Professionals stick to one system. They master it. They understand when it works and when it doesn't. Trading is not about finding the perfect strategy. It's about executing one strategy perfectly. Part 6. Trading journal. Losing traders don't track their mistakes. Winning traders do. Professionals journal. Why they entered. Why they exited. What they felt. Because improvement comes from awareness. If you don't know your mistakes, you will repeat them. A trading journal turns losses into lessons. Part 7. Impatience. Most traders quit too early. They expect results in weeks. Professionals think in years. Trading is a skill like surgery or flying a plane. You wouldn't trust a beginner pilot. The market doesn't trust beginners either. Patience separates professionals from gamblers. Part 8. How professionals actually think. Professional traders focus on process, not profit. Risk, not reward. Consistency, not excitement. They accept losing trades calmly. They don't celebrate winning trades emotionally. To them, a trade is just a probability. Nothing more. Nothing less. Part 9. What you should do differently if you want to trade like a professional. Trade less. Risk small. Follow rules. Journal every trade. Control emotions. Think long term. This won't make you rich overnight, but it will keep you in the game. And in trading, survival is everything. Most traders lose money not because trading is impossible, but because they treat it like a lottery. Professionals treat it like a business. If you change your mindset, you change your results. If this video helped you understand trading better, subscribe to Finance SQ. More real trading education is coming. No hype, no shortcuts, just truth.